What's up guys, I'm Nick, and today we're going to take a look at our brand new high volume intake duct for the 2nd gen Ridgeline. This customer already has the scoop on his car, but we did just get these resonator delete caps, which we've decided to include with the entire kit. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the airbox off, and we're going to take a look at how to install this and get some sound clips at the end here. So we're going to start by pulling this cover off here so we can get the scoop off the airbox. Super easy, this thing just pulls right off. That's it. You can see here how the stock duct actually seals to this. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and pull the scoop off here. Again, just a reminder, he already has our high volume scoop on, but the stock duct, the removal process is exactly the same. In fact, it's actually a little bit easier because the stock duct doesn't have any hose clamps. So we're just going to start by pulling off these plastic rivets here. Okay, have them out. Then we can go ahead and loosen our hose clamps. Now, it should just pull right off. Super easy, super simple. So now, in order to get to the resonator, I gotta pull the factory airbox out here. Since I'm gonna be unplugging the MAF sensor, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal off the battery here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this MAF sensor now here. Loosen this hose clamp. And then honestly, it'll make your life a lot easier if you just remove the top of the airbox first, and then you can get the base out. So there's a couple little clips holding it on. Then it just kind of pulls up and out, just like that. So now it's a little bit easier to see and get to some of these bolts. So we've got two 10mm bolts that actually mount the airbox itself to the chassis. And then there's a couple little plastic clips here that are holding part of the wiring harness in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop all that stuff out. All right, the airbox is loose. It's ready to come out. All right, there we go. Now we have access to the factory resonator. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the factory resonator out of the truck. There are two bolts holding it on. One of them goes into the frame rail facing me, and we have to remove that one first so that we can rotate the resonator this direction in order to get access with our wrench to the secondary bolt. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and then I'll show you guys after it comes out. Take a break. I'm moving it like this.
Oh man.
I'm almost wondering if an extension will be easier. Let me grab a short extension real quick. So in front of me, I have the factory airbox as well as the factory lower resonator. And I wanted to go through some of the benefits of installing our lower resonator delete here. So the factory resonator is unsealed to the atmosphere, meaning that if you're driving your truck through some deep water, this could fill up and potentially hydrolock your engine. Installing the resonator delete cap gets rid of this resonator entirely, which effectively is increasing the minimum intake point to the point of the scoop. And we're talking an extra 20 inches. So if you're driving your truck, off-roading it, maybe driving through some deep water, you have 20 extra inches of water before introducing the potential threat of hydrolocking your engine. So I'm gonna go through and install the lower resonator here. It's super easy and simple. We just have to pull off this rubber coupler, and then the cap just slides right on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clamp it down. And something to note is you don't want to tighten the clamp too much and risk cracking the factory airbox. And there you go, the clamp's nice and snug, and now this whole unit is ready to be put back into the truck. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install the factory airbox and our scoop again. It's just the reverse install of what we did to take it out. Okay, so now that we have the full high volume duct kit installed in the truck, I'm gonna hop in. We're gonna see if we can hear sound difference. So now I've got the high volume duct and resonator delete installed in the truck here, and I gotta say it's looking and sounding a lot better. We do currently have all pieces of this kit in production, and we'll update you guys soon when it becomes available for pre-order. Thanks for watching, guys, and take it easy.